Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Epic Design. Before we get started, I just want to send a huge shout out to those people that subscribed to me over the last couple of videos. You guys gave me the encouragement and the motivation that I needed in order to continue making great projects like this. To add a bit more fun to the channel, that chest that you see on the screen, it means something, so keep it locked. We'll talk more on that later. Because I want the original look of concrete but without the additional weight, I would have to use this material here called hardyboard. This is absolutely one of my favorite materials to work with. It's very strong, lightweight, and easy to cut. Let's say you wanted to renovate a bathroom. This is what goes on the wall before you put on the tiles. And last but not least, it's a little bit clumsy on the table saw, so be sure to get someone to help you. At this point in time, I'm basically going to cover the wood using the hardyboard material. This is just your standard tile and cement. Plaster of Paris, drywall mud, or even brick mortar will work just the same here. Don't rush, not too much water. We're looking for a pancake batter consistency. There's no right or wrong way to put this on. As you'll see in the video, it's very easy, it's foolproof, and anyone literally can do it. Hey DIYers, I'm glad that you guys are enjoying the video so far. Please don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button if you want to see more of the crazy ideas that I'll be coming up with in the near future. Finishing off with a specialized roller can really add some character to this. I'll try to put links in the description below. And like I've said before, anyone literally can do this. As I mentioned earlier, I want to have a bit more fun on this channel. So to reward my subscribers, I've decided to run a treasure hunt contest. There are 2 rules to play this game. 1, you must be a subscriber 18 years or older. And 2, you must live in the United States in order to redeem your prize. This is the first release of a 2-part series video. Next video coming in a week or so. There will be 1 hidden letter in each video, including this one. After you collect those 2 clues along with a free clue that I would provide, the first male and the first female to post the correct word spelled out are the winners. Good luck to you guys, and I can't wait to see who wins. So after failing twice, I headed back to Lowe's in the sprinkler section and picked up a couple of professional fittings. I'll also try to put links to these in the description below. The final and most tedious step was to drill multiple holes in a straight line in the pipe so you can get that waterfall effect.